Some of you may remember the Equity alarm clock that I did a video on some time back. We had a problem with, I think it was the hour button or something. I don't remember exactly. It doesn't click that well, so it may just be worn out, or maybe something was spilled in it. But I figured we'll at least open it, or try to, and see what's going on. Looking over it, we'll take the little battery door out. There's no screw in there. It looks like there's just one there. There may have been little rubber feet in there at one point in its life, but they're not there now. So we'll try taking this one screw out. It would be interesting if this is really, I think it really is, the only thing that holds this clock together. One screw, the ultimate in Chinesery. It looked like it was coming apart before. I don't know if I have that screw out all the way yet. Sure seems like it. But it doesn't want to really pop open. There it goes. That really popped. Great. Well, I think I can put the 9-volt thing through the little slot in it. It looks like it probably went through there at one point. There we go. So we can get that out of the way. And I see two screws that is holding the circuit board in, but I don't know how the front or anything else is in. So I'm going to do a little bit of exploratory surgery, and hopefully I can get this apart, and we'll spray it with contact cleaner and see if that makes any difference. Houston, I think we have a problem. Yeah. I found these, and I found this. This looks like a previous repair that didn't quite work. If you look closely on the board, you can see that tape there. It looks like all of these had popped off at one point. It really doesn't look factory. And in fact, they're all falling off. So I'm going to sort of just try to stick them back on with more Scotch tape as they all fall out here. And I'll put it back together for better or for worse. You know, if nothing else, it'll be right twice a day. So anyways, let me go and do that. I'll do that all off camera because it's going to be a tedious process. And then we'll give it a shot and see what happens. Okay, I have the buttons taped on. As you can see there, they're just Scotch taped back on like they were. I got one or two, maybe a little wonk, but we'll see. Maybe I think the best way is to, I just want to get the wires away from the mains. That should work. And I think I see which is which. Yeah. So that should be time, hour, and minute. So let's see. Okay, we still have a display. And I'll hold this carefully. I should be okay right here. I'm probably blocking the view. Time, hour, oh yeah. Minute, yes, it works. It's a little not too well. No, it works. Alarm, yeah, that'll work. And snooze, I guess we'll just have to. So let's put it back together and we'll give it a final test. Shut that off and I'll put it back together. Just putting the finishing touches on. Putting the last screw in. That's plenty fine, like that. That's back. Stick it down in. And clip that on. All back together. Mostly. No one will know the difference. All the buttons click. Power is good. The time is 6:28. $6:29 now. And we'll set the alarm for 6:30. Alarm on. Okay, now we just wait. Shit, it's time to make another video. Hey, we fixed it! Awesome! It works. So we're all set. This is now fully functional until this tape gives out, which I don't know how long the other tape was in there, but it seemed like a solid enough repair to me that I decided to repeat it. So looks good, and now is fully functional. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you click like. Make sure you click subscribe. Oh yeah, it should have been 420. Well, next time. We'll see you then. Bye-bye.